there to help you. I'll be right there by your side every time. I'll be there to help you. I'll be right there by your side every time. I will be your shelter when you need a place to hide. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be your helping hand, a constant friend for you. And I'll be there to help you. And I'll be there anytime you call. I'll be there for you.
Marriage is the greatest and most challenging adventure of human relationships. No ceremony can create your marriage. Only you two can. You create it through love and patience, through dedication and perseverance, through talking and listening, helping and supporting, and believing in each other, through tenderness and laughter, through learning to forgive and forget, through learning to appreciate your differences, and by learning what truly matters and letting go of the rest. What this ceremony can do is witness and affirm the choice you two make to stand together as life mates, partners, and forever Team Madco. Since you intend to enter into marriage, Mahdieh and Cody, you have both taken your time to compose the words you want to share with the love of your life. Nothing is easier than standing here and saying these words, and nothing is more difficult than living them day to day.
I love all of us, our memories together. It's impossible for words to capture all their splendor. We've explored new places, even built keepsake showcases, traveled many miles to see each other's smiles. We've had silent, slow dances and talks of finances, shared in many laughs and silly kisses, also nurtured a house full of plants and fishes. There's been days of complete disarray, but after years of being your fiancé, I can wholeheartedly say we are forever and will never sway. All rhymes aside, my beautiful bride, I love you. You are my companion and confidant, my sweetheart and soulmate. Most of all, my best friend. I admire your bravery and your ability to embrace change. You have given me the strength, despite all my reluctance, to step into the unknown and chase my greatest dreams. Thank you. I could have not done it without you. I promise to nourish and support you as you fulfill your dreams, to give you courage, confidence, and many hugs through the most trying of times. For I see a strong, gorgeous, intelligent woman, of which I will remind you if there's ever a doubt. I am here for you. I promise to cherish your fun-loving spirit and to always let it shine. I will do what it takes to ensure that your heart always sings of lovely bunches of coconuts. We will go for that walk, despite what my inner house cat may say. And if that the day so comes when we have a child, you have my word, we will both be the fun parent. I promise to put us, our family, first before everything else. We will tackle life's challenge and celebrate all of its successes together. This is our journey. Let us always hold hands as we grow old together.
I got choked up. Mahdieh, are you ready? Mahdieh, you would like to share a few personal words for your groom. Mahdieh, please share your words from the heart with Cody.
Cody, when I first met you, I was happy to have found a friend in a new place. It didn't take long for me to realize that I had found my best friend, my rock and confidant, my favorite person to try new things with, and the love of my life. I love that you dream big and have creative ideas, yet are grounded and kind. I love that you value my thoughts and feelings. You are the strength I didn't know I needed, the joy that I didn't know I was missing, and the calmness I didn't know I could have. You always see the best in me, and I love that you are so thoughtful and gentle, especially when I am too hard on myself. You just make me so happy. I never imagined I would love anybody the way that I love you, but I wasn't expecting what you would do to my heart. You have shown me that two people joined together with mutual respect, trust, and open communication can be far more secure and happy than each could ever be alone. I love you with all of my being, and I know that I am so lucky that you wholeheartedly embrace me and my love for you. I promise to treasure and honor our love and to not take it or you for granted. I promise to be an attentive, caring, and encouraging partner. I promise that for the rest of my life, you will not be alone, that you can count on me to have your back, to see you, and to support you. Committing the rest of my life to you today is easy. Throughout our relationship, we've experienced a few of life's highs and lows, not to mention a global pandemic. Through it all, we've always stood by each other, taken care of each other, and worked unitedly to face whatever life threw our way. And that gives me the confidence to stand here today knowing that we will continue to grow side by side and build a beautiful life together. I promise that when we are old and retired to a sunny island, we will look back fondly and contently on our journey together, laugh at our inevitable mistakes, and be proud of all we've learned and experienced. And not just because I will probably have severe memory loss by then. In the end, I want to be standing at the beginning with you. I love you most.
A ring is an unbroken circle with ends that have been joined together, and it represents your union. It is a symbol of infinity and of your infinite love. When you look at these rings on your hands, be reminded of this moment, your commitment, and the love you now feel for each other. These rings will forever signify to the world that you belong to someone special, and someone special belongs to you. Mahdieh, I'm going to have you go first. Please place the ring on Cody's finger and repeat after me. I, Mahdieh, take you, Cody,
I, Mahdieh, take you, Cody,
to be my husband, my friend,
to be my husband, my friend,
my partner, my love.
my partner, my love.
As this ring encircles your finger,
As this ring encircles your finger,
so too will my love forever encircle you.
so too will my love forever encircle you.
My love will always keep you, protect you,
My love will always keep you, protect you,
encourage you, celebrate you,
encourage you, celebrate you,
cherish you, and accept you,
cherish you, and accept you,
just the way that you are.
just the way that you are.
My love is the greatest gift I can give.
My love is the greatest gift I can give.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I wed.
Your turn, Cody. Cody, please place the ring on Mahdieh's finger and repeat after me. I, Cody, take you, Mahdieh, to be my wife,
I, Cody, take you, Mahdieh, to be my wife,
my friend, my partner, my love.
my friend, my partner, my love.
As this ring encircles your finger,
As this ring encircles your finger,
so too will my love forever encircle you.
so too will forever my love encircle you.
Yes. My love will always keep you, protect you,
My love will always keep you, protect you,
encourage you, celebrate you,
encourage you, celebrate you,
cherish you and accept you just the way you are.
Cherish you and accept you just the way you are.
My love is the greatest gift I can give.
My love is the greatest gift I can give.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
All right. Cody and Mahdieh, at this time, the two of you will take a moment to share a cup of tea, like you do so many other times, enjoying the warmth of the tea and each other's company. Mahdieh, I ask you to please place the blossoming leaves into the teapot. Cody, I'm going to give you the water. There you go. Please follow by pouring the water into the teapot. Careful not to spill on yourself. You got it? Together, please stir in the honey. As we wait for the tea to steep, please see how this small act of making the tea together represents your love. The individual ingredients represent your individuality, your personal strengths, your weaknesses, your personalities as a whole, your desire to help each other in any way to be the best you can be. As the tea continues to steep, the individual ingredients begin to blend. Each individual ingredient mutually benefits the other, resulting in a final product that is greater than and wholly different than the sum of its parts. Similarly, your relationship is born of yourselves, through which you have created a love that goes beyond your individual selves. Now, as the tea has finished steeping, its ingredients blended, as you pour the tea, consider how it represents how your love strengthens each of you individually, how you will do anything for each other, and how you trust the other to provide exactly what you need, how you support each other through good times and the bad times. In this small act of pouring tea for each other, we see a greater characteristic of your relationship. Know that by drinking this tea, you let each other into your souls. Allow yourself to feel the warmth and comfort, the joy and happiness, and the love you have for each other. At this time, you will pour each other tea. Not fully steep yet. It's hot. Awesome. If you guys want to come back over here. Mahdieh and Cody, you have heard these words about love and marriage. You have exchanged your vows and made your promises, celebrated your union with the giving and receiving of rings, and shared a transcendent cup of tea. Before this moment, you have kissed countless times, but today the feeling is new. No longer simply partners and best friends. You have become husband and wife. It is with such joy that I now send you into the world to spread the beautiful light that you share with those around you. Cody and Mahdieh, because of your love and commitment, and by the power vested in me by the state of Illinois, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss each other. Yay! Congratulations!